Key to a new car?
Ooh, what is this?
It's a keychain.
Oh,
She said, ooh. She's like, what is it?
that's cute.
Let me see. That's pretty.
Oh, it's got little Coach
Oh,
little
that is
symbols on it.
That's that
expensive.
real?
Those are expensive.
The keychains?
Anything from Coach. They're expensive.
Looks like a little purse.
Very nice.
It's a wallet.
Got any money in it?
Whoa.
Put your $25 in it, honey.
Can you fit all your stuff in there?
Let me see.
Well,
Thank you.
I guess you can put your pictures in here. That's a place for pictures?
Oh.
Or your driver's license or what? I don't
I
know.
guess.
Is this mine too?
maybe.
Clearly you got the other stuff.
Is this Coach?
I couldn't afford Coach, so
Yes, it is. Oh my gosh.
No, not like this
Is that Coach?
That is nice.
bitch. That's beautiful.
This is the real thing?
it's the real thing
That thing's like $1,000.
from the official store.
God.
Here, you'll need this to go on.
That's the other stuff that goes with it.
That's nice.
You
Oh,
fooled me the whole time.
it don't come with it, I promise.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Pretty.
I like that.
Do you like it?
That's real pretty.
Well, once I saw yours, I like that shiny material. I
Yeah.
was like, I want a guest bag so bad now.
That's pretty.
You like it?
baby.
Yes.